book before it's announced as sold out. Just look out this image. It's completely different and unique, and the way they have made all the towers will have the early morning sun, क्या बोलते हैं वो, the lighting, and this is how you will have the amenities, the car parking, your entrance, and this is how you will have all the project facilities inside the property. And here your sit out area. Then you can look out even here, walkway, and here are the towers again that they've shown. This is there at the marketing office, everyone. So once if you're visiting the site, you will have this experience actually. So come home to happiness, soul at Godrej Ananda, sports and fitness garden. And then you can look out here, I think this is basketball. Yes, this is basketball. And the towers, the windows. And here we have the children's play area. So don't forget to plan your visit. If you are planning to finalize, if you are an NRI, you're not in India, planning to book it in Godrej Ananda, we are available at the site. Feel free to contact us for further discussion. The experience of this location is completely unique and attractive, and of course it's good, not only attractive, the price what they are offering is completely, it's like a competitive price if we are comparing with the competitors nearby. So let us look at the sample apartment of this project, the Jodi. They have 1092 square feet Jodi Apartment. They're made at the site. Along with this, we'll try to look out 3 BHK if possible. If not, we'll end the conversation by showing you the 2 BHK sample apartment. That's it, everybody. 2 BHK starts from 74.99 lakhs, and 3 BHK thing roughly approximate starts at 1 CR onwards, 1 CR and above. I'll mention the prices at description, everyone. Let's move and look at the sample apartments. So again, we are back with a video of Godrej Ananda Phase 3. So this is a Jodi apartment which we are looking at. First, let me show you the Jodi concept flat. So this is the entrance. So the moment we enter, we have the living. This is the living area and dining, and open kitchen. Just look out the luxury of this kitchen. It's a very huge kitchen, everybody. Decent enough if you are comparing with the other nearby projects. This is one of the decent kitchen in size. And then we have the utility space given by developer. Open utility space. Kids bedroom. Your washroom. So your balcony. Then we have bedroom. The second bedroom with attached washroom to it. This. Yeah. So we'll have another entry and exit from here. So since it's a Jodi unit, what we are looking out. So they also have a normal 2 BHK 998 square feet. But there is no sample apartment made for that. For this Jodi apartment, the total price starts from 74.99 lakhs. Don't forget to reach us if you're interested and looking out for further information about the project. Hurry up, inventories are getting sold. Last chance to grab your investment opportunity in KIADB if you're planning for Godrej properties. Now let us go. I'll quickly have a look on 3 BHK Jodi apartment and we'll understand 1588 square feet along with Jodi apartment. So this is the present marketing office, and there you can look on, that's the construction happening phase 1, and phase 3 will be mostly coming this side. This one is 3 BHK Jodi unit we are looking out. See, we are entering into the bedroom with separate wardrobe space. This is 12 by 10. So here is another entry. Since it's a Jodi unit, so you will have another entry and exit from here. We also have a normal 3 BHK 1588 square feet. If you're interested, you may contact us for that. And investors will have benefit of Jodi unit, where you can rent out 2 different units to 2 different families. Studio 1 and 2 BHK to different family. We'll explain to you. You can contact us for further information. Living, dining, balcony. There will be 2 balconies to this. Kitchen. Utility. This is another bedroom. Common washroom. Master bedroom with balcony we just looked at. Contact us everyone for details. We will be sharing our number in description. Any information or any confusion, you're facing difficulty in taking a decision in Godrej Ananda, not getting a unit, we are here. Contact us, feel free to call us. Prices whatever we have mentioned in the video are subject to change, and the information what we have provided are just for information purpose only. So for details you may contact us, or for the actual information you can try visiting the property, or you can call us. Since we are available at the site, we will make you to meet the sales managers for further discussion on project information and other things. That's it. Thank you so much for watching us. Have a nice day. Stay safe. So this one is the project miniature, the 20-acre development that they are developing. A clubhouse. That's it everyone. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Stay safe.